Unlock the power of dependable email delivery and skyrocket your audience engagement by mastering SendGrid account creation today. First things first, head over to the SendGrid website. You'll see a prominent button, usually labeled Sign Up Free or something similar. Click that to get started on your journey to better email deliverability. Now, you'll be presented with the sign-up form. Carefully enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address you'll use for your SendGrid account. Next, create a strong, secure password. Think a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The next section asks for some basic details about your company and your email goals. Fill in your company name and then select the approximate number of email contacts you currently have or plan to have. This helps SendGrid tailor the service to your needs. Crucially, choose what you're looking to do with SendGrid. Are you sending transactional emails like order confirmations, or are you planning marketing campaigns? Select the option that best fits your primary use case, or multiple if applicable. Before you proceed, it's essential to read and agree to SendGrid's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to acknowledge these, ensuring you understand their guidelines. SendGrid will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, locate the email from SendGrid, and click on the verification link within it. This step confirms your email ownership and activates your account. Congratulations! You've now successfully created your SendGrid account. You'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can start exploring features, verifying your domain for enhanced deliverability, and initiating your email sending. For optimal email deliverability, it's highly recommended to verify your domain. Look for the domain authentication or sender authentication section in your settings and follow the simple on-screen prompts to add and verify your domain, which is a critical step. Once your domain is verified, you're all set to start sending emails that land where they're intended, boosting your engagement and communication strategy. Don't forget to explore SendGrid's robust features for even better results.